But it's clear that we need better communicators, more thorough communicators, more ethical communicators. So I will encourage them to do their work better.
And the first idea you have to keep in mind is communication is not talking, communication is doing. We have to do things for being relevant for other people. And communication is not a matter of how many pre-release you do every day. It's how many different things you do to be relevant for the others, to catch the attention of the others. For catching this attention, you need the help of the media. There is two ways to be known. You just can make some commercials, or you can make initiative relevant for the media, for the journalists. And today, or yesterday, he inaugurated the Church of Barcelona, Gaudí, a very particular building. This inauguration is today in the front page of the New York Times. Is how the market moves. Joan Ter is the richest man in Nigeria. Okay, this is for me. When I say something, you could know it's more. But the driver put another step. He said he's the richest black man in the world. With that idea, is how the communication works. The Barcelona Cathedral now is the tallest cathedral in the world. So it gives you a sign of differentiation of the rest. We are in a communication when we have everything, everywhere, all at once. And the best way to be relevant is to catch the attention being the first one or even the last one. Because people who can be the leader fight for being the last one. Because it's more interesting to be the last of the race than the 28th of the race.
Well, this program is a very interesting program, not only for the participants, but for us as a museum. And we are very grateful to those who have made it possible. First to the Spanish Embassy in Abuja, then to Carlos from the Museo del Prado, then to Joan from Casa África, and for all of us, all of you who have been working very hard here. And this program is important because it is very much aligned with what we are as a museum, as a university museum. We are here to offer a service to society. We are here to help people in the art system grow. In this case, we have a program for cultural journalists and communicators. We want to be better communicators, more professional communicators, more ethical communicators, better communicators. And this, though perhaps sometimes some people may think this is not part or this is not what a museum does normally. Yes, this is what we do because we are a university museum with a clear educational mission. And this is very much aligned, and we are very happy to offer something of value to these professionals so they can grow as we grow.
Again, they are not directly improving the quality of the meaning of the art, but they are allowing the system to keep working. get there by day.
But it's clear that we need better communicators, more thorough communicators, more ethical communicators. So I will encourage them to do their work better. And this means putting more time on research, studying more, going deeper, knowing the facts about what they are writing. If they are writing about an artist, really knowing about the artist. If they are writing about a school or a movement, learning about this, going deep. So it will be a piece of advice that I think is useful for everybody in all professions, to be serious, to do a good job, to respect the truth. I know that there are many incentives to say what some people want to hear. There is money in it, but to respect the truth always first.
Okay, so I would like us to use as many generative AI tools as possible. So either chat, GPT or Copilot or Gemini AI.
The first one is beyond entertainment. How the festival preserves local identity. How dances, costumes, language, food, and rituals keep community history alive, especially for young.
I enjoyed the AI tool that has to do with journalism very well. There were a lot of things I already know, but there are other things that I learned too. The other sessions were a bit technical with the arts, with the museum and everything, but still, I still like the presentation. I like the first presentation by the, I don't know his name, the one who oversees the museum. That was the first lecture for yesterday, when he talked about a lot of things, why he explained why. I enjoyed that lecture too. I really learned a lot. More especially, there was this training today that had to do with communication. The references with the Coca-Cola brand, and there's this other brand of Coca-Cola that is not known, that he did campaign with, and he taught us how you should do communication as a media person, as a journalist. And so
Yemisi Shyllon Museum is one of the things we've been waiting for over the years. We have National Museum, yes, but when we started having private museums, it shows we are actually moving in the right direction where African storytelling should be. And Engineer Yemisi Shyllon is also like a father figure in the business, a big collector, a huge collector, right from his university days, and he has kept it up. And he says something that is now in his glorious obsession. So it's so interesting for us as media practitioners, entrepreneurs, journalists, coming for trainings like this to also appreciate what we see, the building itself, the culture, the atmosphere, the energy, and the atmosphere, A-R-T, atmosphere that we see here is also helping us as writers to know where to write, where to write and what to write about. So I would say congratulations to Yemisi Shyllon Museum for what they have done and what they still intend to do for African storytelling.
Well, it's been an amazing experience. I'm very eager and very happy to be here. I never been before, and when the Spanish embassy called me, I thought immediately that's an opportunity that life offers me to know a different country, different culture, a sharing experience, thinking that in communication there are sort of international or global rules that could apply in every continent and in every country. So we have working a lot of years in this arena of opening a space for promoting culture through the media, and we try to share and to learn from you. Oh, it's very surprising the amount of art and passion that I found here. I have been the privilege of discover these wonderful paintings and arts with Jess, and I love how he's managing this institution and the passion he's putting in every initiative that you can fake with your passion. And when you see Jess and all the team that I know in here, you feel that they believe what they are doing and they want to be even more relevant and more social workers for the community. You have here a very nice piece of art from the story to now, and I think that you are working very well to explain and to spread the message to the community. Because you have opened my curiosity about what's happening here, I see that you have all the elements to be relevant in the world space of culture. And it's sad, or it's a pity that in Spain we don't know more about you and your culture and your authors and painters, because I saw this morning very beautiful piece of art, and I insist I discover a person like Jess who transmit a love for what he's doing and all the team are doing. That is very impressive. Well, I think that the Prado has been recognized as one of the leading museums in the world in terms of communication, not only for the heritage we receive and the way we do things in cultural arena, but in the way we are able to open the doors and to communicate and building a new spaces in social media. And we did working hard, and we are delighted to share our way with you. Probably not 100% of the things are immediately could be transposed to you, but more of the knowledge and mistake we made you can avoid step by step. I don't know no one that has been bigger the first day of his life. So we were not in this position 20 years ago, even 10, but the most important thing is the will. You have the will to communicate, you transmit that as yourself and Jess shared with me this morning. You want a story, you want to communicate, if you want, you can. You have more media, more people, more resources, of course it's good. But the most important thing are the will and the ideas. And for having ideas, one person is enough.